What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best banana bread ever. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, let's start with our dry ingredients. It's going to be 2 level cups of flour. There we go. Half a cup of sugar. You can use either white or brown. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon if you have it. Give that a little whisk. Then we're going to take 5 ripe or overripe bananas and we're going to mash those. I like to use a potato masher, but you could use a fork as well. Just going to mash those down nice and soft. Now we'll add 3/4 cup of cooking oil. You can use vegetable, canola, grapeseed, olive oil, avocado. And we're going to add 2 room temperature eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of buttermilk. This will help activate the baking soda and give it a little more moisture. A half a cup of chopped walnuts. You could use pecans as well. Then we'll go ahead and mix up our wet ingredients. You could use butter as well. You're going to want to use 1.5 sticks of butter, and you want to cream the butter and the sugar first. Okay, now we can add in our dry ingredients, and you're just going to want to mix it together just till it's incorporated. Don't over mix it. Now we can pour it into our greased loaf pan. Smooth it out. Alright, now we can go ahead and pop it into our preheated 350-degree oven on the middle to upper rack. And we're going to set our timer for about 50 to 60 minutes. Alright, now if the top is browning a lot, but it's still not done, just go ahead and put a little foil over the top. Alright, and there it is. Now it may take a little longer than I said, but just take like a skewer stick and poke it in, make sure it pulls out clean, then you'll know when it's done or it needs a little more time. Go ahead and wait about 10 minutes before taking it out of your loaf pan. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? I always like it fresh out of the oven, or if you're going to reheat it, just pop it in the toaster and it's just like fresh out of the oven. Alright guys, if you like this video and you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Check out all my other videos. I got some more baking videos and some DIY videos. And consider subscribing to my channel so you can see all my new upcoming videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care. Bye, Mom.